Hello students, welcome to Maths Online Academy by Sandhya, myself Sandhya. And next question is from chapter 5 Arithmetic Progressions exercise 5.2. Let's see the question number 6. Question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. Let's check, that is the minus 150 is a term of AP. Here what is the AP? Take the solution. First of all, when do you read the question? First of all, separate what do you have in that question, what they mentioned. Here mentioned the AP. What is the AP? AP equal to 11, 8, 5, 12. This is AP. And mention minus 150 is a term. Question mark is a term. Let's see. We check. If you get that nth term, for example, we are taking that is nth term. Minus 150 is a term. So let's take an equal to minus 150. Okay. What is the formula for an? N equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we are taking an is minus 150. Minus 150. And what is here a value? Before going to the substitute, let's take a equal to first term is 11. And what is the common difference d? A2 minus A1. A2 is what? 8 minus 11. Why we are writing directly A2 minus A1 means here mentioned that is in AP. AP means common difference to the A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, otherwise A4 minus A3. All are same. So that's why we are taking A2 minus A1. 8 minus 11 means minus 3. So D value is minus 3. Substitute in this. An equal to what? Minus 150 equal to A is the 11 plus we don't know which term, that is 12th term, that is 14th term. So we have to find it. D is the minus 3. You take 11 this side. Minus 150 minus 11 equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So minus 61. Minus 161 equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus minus get cancelled. Okay. 161 by 3 equal to n minus 1. You get the cancellation here. Try it. Is the 11 na? 3 5 is the 15 and again 1 point something. So you get the decimal form. See, get cancelled. 3 1 is 3 5 is 15, again 3 3 is 9. Again you get the 2 common. 2 is the remainder. So if you get point, you get the 2 0. So 6 down. You are getting 53.6 equal to n minus 1. And n equal to 53.6 plus 1. And n equal to 54.6. If you tell this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, but we don't say 1.5th term, 1.2nd term. So this is not in normal integral integer number. So this is not an integer number means this is minus 150 is not a term in this AP, right? Therefore minus 150, this is not equal to integer. Okay, minus 150 is not a term in given AP. Okay, this is not a term in given AP. AP means arithmetic progression. Okay, if you get this is in integral form, okay, that is integer, a positive integer. So you can say, oh, that is integer, positive integer. So that is the term of this AP. That is not an integer. So that's why this is not a term in given AP. Let's see the second question. Sorry, next question is seventh question. Let's take, say, find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38, 16th term is 73. Let's take seventh question. Find 31st term. So we have to find 31st term. 31st term means A31. Okay. And of an AP whose 11th term is 38, 16th term. So 11th term of AP, that is A11 equal to what? Given that 38. So given, and next one is 16th term. So 16th term of AP, that is A16 equal to 73. Okay, this is 73. Given that, given that, these are the informations. 11th term. A11 means how to write? A plus n minus 1 into d. You can directly say A plus 10d. Yes. And A16 means A plus 15d. Okay. From A11 means we don't know A plus 10. Oh, sorry. What is the A11? 38 na? Substitute. A11 is 38 and 10d. This is the equation 1. And A16 is 73. A plus 15d. Okay. Solve. 192. Okay. Solve 192. Take here A plus 10d equal to 38. Okay. Already we finished a pair of linear equations. By using that we can solve 73. Take subtraction, minus, minus, minus. Okay. These two get cancelled. 10d minus 15d means you get the minus 5d. Minus 5d. And again here 38 minus 73. Subtract 73 minus 38. You take one barrow. So 13 minus 8 means 5 na? 5. Here 6. 6 minus 3? 3. So what is the signal here? Minus symbol is there na? So minus 35. This is minus na, this is plus na. So minus minus get cancelled. So d equal to 5, 7. So d value is 7. And d value is 7 means substitute in any one equation, in any one. From 1. A plus 10d. 10d means d is 7. Yes, A plus 10d equal to 38 na. Substitute 38. So A plus 70 equal to 38. So A equal to 38 minus 70. 38 minus 70 means what? 30, and 32 is the answer, na? Minus 32. So A value we know, D value we know. What is the value? We have to find out 31st term. What is the formula of 31st term? I am rubbing here. What is the 31st? A 31 equal to, how to write? A plus 30D. Can we write? We know the value of A. Minus 32 plus 30. What is the value of D? 7. So minus 32. 210. 7 3 is the 21. 0. What do you get? 178. Take. This is the minus, this is the plus. 8 na? Here 0. Again you take back 10 minus 3 means 78. Here 1. Okay? 178. A 31 equal to 178. Okay? And see the next question. This is the 7th one. Na? See, an AP consists of 50 terms of which third term is 12, last term is 106. Find the, okay. First, when you are reading, na, understand that one. First of all, just 1 minute. See, 8th question. An AP consists of 50 terms. 50 terms means how many numbers? N equal to 50. Given that, right? By reading what we have the information, let's write. 50 terms. 50 means N equal to 50. Yes. Which third term is? Third term is means A3. Third term is A3 equal to 12. And last term here mentioned an AP consist. So AP consist means we know the AP term of the formulas. So third term is 12. The last term is 106. Last term of AP. What is the number last term? AN. So AN equal, already we know N is 50. So A50 equal to what? 106. Okay? 106. A3 equal to 106, and find the 29th term. 29th term. 29th term of AP. 29th term of AP means A29 equal to, have to find. Okay? Here A3 means A3 equal to A plus 2D, yes, equal to 12. And here A50 means A50 equal to A plus 49D equal to 106. And find out the value of 29th term. So by using these two equations, we get the A value, D value, and substitute the A29. A29 is what is the formula? A plus 28D. Let's take. This is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. Let's solve the equation 192. Write down here. Solve 192 equations. Okay, 192. A plus 2D equal to 12 and a plus 49d equal to plus 49d equal to 106. Minus 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 get cancelled. So 2 minus 49 means minus 47 na? Minus 47d equal to 12. So remove the 12 means you get the 94 minus 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 get cancelled. What do you get here? Do you get any cancellations? So d value you get d equal to 94 by 47. 1 1 is 47, 2 is. So d equal to 2. D equal to 2 means substitute in equation 1. So you get a plus 2 into 2 equal to 12. So a equal to 12 minus 4 na? So a equal to 8. A equal to 8, d equal to 2. What do we want? Which 29th term of AP? I am rubbing here. 29th term of AP means what? A29 equal to a plus 28d. Yes? A is the value 8 plus 28 and d is the 2. So 8 plus 16 1 56. So 64. A29 equal to 64. Okay. Let's see next question. 9th question. Let's check it, the 9th question. If the third term, 9th one, if the third and 9th terms of an AP are respectively, which term of this AP is 0? So let's take, given that how many, which term, third and 9th term of in terms of AP is ninth question na? Third and 9th term 4 and minus 8. So A3 equal to 4 and A9 equal to minus 8. So which term of this AP is 0? Which term of this AP is 0? So AN equal to 0. So n equal to 0 means we have to find out the n value. Which term? This term of the AP is 0. Nth term is given 0. So we have to find out the n value. A3 equal to 4 means can we write a plus 2d and here a plus 8d. From 192 we get the a value, d value, and here we don't know n value. An equal to means a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we know an is 0 but don't know a, d, and have to find out the n value. By using 192 we get the a and d. Substitute in this we get the n value. Okay. Solve 192. If you solve 192, a plus 2d equal to 4, a plus 8d equal to 8. Solve minus 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 get cancelled. So minus 6d equal to minus 4. Minus minus cancel, so d equal to 2 by 3. Okay, d equal to 2 by 3 means let's substitute in any one equation. You get the take it from 1 equal to a plus 2d. d is the 2 by 3 equal to 4. So a equal to 4 minus 4 by 3 na. So take LCM 3. So 12 minus 4 by 3 means 8 by 3. A equal to 8 by 3 and d equal to 2 by 3. Substitute in any one. What any one? We have to find the n value na. So substitute in this. an equal to 0. an is a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. What is the value? 8 by 3 plus n minus 1 into d. What is the d value? 2 by 3 equal to 0. Take the LCM. 8 plus n minus 1 into 2 by 3 equal to 0 na. So that will go 0. And 8 plus n minus 1 into d 2 equal to 0. So 2 into n minus 1 equal to 8. 2 1 the 2 4s are. N minus 1 equal to 4. So n equal to 5. So fifth term of this AP is 0. So n equal to 5. You write the fifth term of the AP is 0. Write down here. Fifth term of therefore of AP is 0. Okay. Ninth one na? And see 10th one. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. See, using the formulas are same. an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. By asking the questions are in different manners. Sometimes they are asking first term is 0, second term is something, find out the fifth term. And sometimes they are asking which term of this AP is 100, 0, like that. Now here asking differently. 10th term, 17th term of an AP. That term, set of numbers are AP. That is confirmed. So 17th solution. 17th term of an AP. So is exceeds its 10th term by 7. So first of all, let's take the 10th term. Why means na, if you know 10th term, we can tell 17th. Let 10th term of an AP. Term of an AP equal to what? For example, we don't know here. Let's take why let's take a plus 9d na? That is a plus 9d. And here mentioned 17th term of an AP exceeds by 7 exceeds its 10th term. What is the 10th term? Exceeds 10th term by what? 7. Okay. What is the 10th term here? A plus 9d plus 7. Okay. This is 17th term and this is 10th term. Let's find out the common difference D. 17th term of an AP equal to A17 plus A10 plus 7. So already A17 means A plus 16D and A10 is A plus 9D plus 7. So A get cancelled. You take 9D this side, 16D minus 9D equal to 7. So 7D equal to 7, D equal to 1. So write down common difference D equal to 1. Okay, common difference D equal to 1. And next question, this is the 10th one. See the 11th one. Which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? Which term? First of all, read the question carefully and you simplify the question, you get the answer. Read the question. Which term of which question number 11. Okay, question number 11. See the question. Which term of the AP? Here given that what? Given that AP is 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on. Will be the which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? So nth term. Which term is? So which term is the here given? 132 more than 54th term. A54. And here we have to find the nth term. Which term? So here we find out n value. Question is an is 132 plus A54 and we don't know n value. Have to find the n value. An is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes, an value is A plus n minus 1 into D. 132 plus A54 means A plus 53D na? 53. From AP A equal to 3 and D equal to 15 minus 3 equal to 12. Okay, substitute in this. A is the 3 plus n minus 1 into what is the D value? 12 equal to 132 plus A is the 3 plus 53 into 12. Okay, take 3 value that side, n minus 1 into 12 equal to 132. Here 3, here 3 get cancelled. So 132 plus 12 3 is 36, 3 and 12 5 is 60, 60 plus 6 36. So n minus 1 into 12 equal to, add it, 7 6 8. Okay, 12 ones and 12 5 12 6 72, 12 6 72 and 4 is remaining is 4, So 12 4s are 40. So n minus 1 equal to 64 and n equal to 64 plus 1. So finally n equal to 65. Which term is 132 more than 54th term is the 65th term is 132 more than a 54th term. Okay, which term is 65th term is the 132 more than a 54th term. Okay, that is the answer. That is the 12th question. Okay, have you understand the questions? Okay, have you got it the answers now? If you have any question, you can do the comment in comment box. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.